beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any topics, any suggestions in mind which you want me to make videos on, readings on or meditations on, do let me know and I shall definitely make one on that. Coming to today's meditation, it is about aura cleansing. What aura is and how can this meditation help you in improving all aspects of your life? A small reference to that. Aura is basically our energetic shield. You can call it as our spiritual immunity, which protects us against all the unwanted energies from outside, which acts as a barrier between us and all the negativities and all the unwanted stuffs, which might make us fall energetically sick, which will again in turn lead to problems in our career, problems in relationship, problems in our own positivity, in our health. So basically, it affects all aspects of your life. If our aura is damaged or unclean or dirty, or there are holes or any kind of negativities in our aura. So with this meditation, not only you will release and you will let go and you will remove all the unwanted energies which you might have attracted in your aura, but you will also charge it with all the positivity, all the positive energy, so that all the aspects of your life are improved overall and your spiritual immunity is increased and you see positive effects, good results in your professional, personal life, your relationship, your overall state of mind, your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. So let's begin this meditation.
Sit or lie down comfortably and make sure you are calm and undisturbed. Close your eyes, center yourself and take 3 deep breaths. With each breath out, exhale all your stress, and with each breath in, inhale all the positivity of the universe. Take a deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in and out. Another one and out. Now bring your focus to the outer outline of your body. Observe and try sensing and seeing energy around it. You may see some color around yourself or observe any emotions and feelings accompanying this. Now, visualize a bright white light coming from the sky to encircle you completely. Feel its warmth and comfort as it surrounds you. Observe this light growing thicker and all the impurities of your aura slowly disappearing into it. The more thick it grows, the more impurities are removed from your aura. Notice how your aura is getting brighter as it is getting cleansed, and you feel light and positive. This light is continuously cleansing your aura until all the impurities have been removed. Now focus on the color and feel of your aura and your emotions. You will notice how light, positive and relaxed you feel, as if a heavy weight has been lifted off of you. Embrace this feeling. This white light, which has cleansed your aura, is now going back into the sky and slowly disappearing from your eyes. It has disappeared into the sky, carrying all the impurities of your aura, leaving it completely cleansed. Look at your aura again. How bright and shiny it is. Thank the white light for cleansing your aura. Be in the feeling of relaxation and positivity as your aura is bright and shiny now. You feel very relaxed, very light. Pray to God to keep your aura safe and protected always. And as you pray, you observe divine blessings coming to you and creating a shield of protection around your aura. Feel this protection and love. Express gratitude to God and all the positive energies for the help. Your aura is energetically clean and protected now. Take a deep breath to stabilize the energies. And on the count of 1 to 3, you will slowly come back to your present and open your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. Namaste.